Hey everyone, I'm Selena from Rick's Review Hub. If you're hunting for a comfy, affordable office chair to level up your workspace, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the GABRYLLY PF Ergonomic Office Chair. This chair promises all-day comfort without breaking the bank. Stick around as we break down its features, weigh the pros and cons, and see if it's the right fit for you. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about what makes the GABRYLLY PF stand out. This chair has a high-back mesh design that's super breathable, keeping you cool during long work sessions. It offers 4 support points: head, back, hips, and hands, with adjustable lumbar support to hug your spine just right. The seat height adjusts easily, and the flip-up armrests let you slide the chair under your desk to save space. You get a 90 to 120-degree tilt lock for leaning back comfortably, plus a 2D adjustable headrest for neck support. The sturdy base and PU wheels glide smoothly without scratching floors, and it supports up to 280 pounds. Now, the pros. The mesh back and seat are a game-changer for breathability, so no more sweaty workdays. The lumbar support is firm and helps with posture, which is great for long hours at your desk. Assembly is a breeze, taking about 15 to 20 minutes with clear instructions. The flip-up armrests are super versatile, and the price is a steal for all these ergonomic features. It's perfect for both work and gaming, and users love its sleek, modern look. But there are a few cons. The lumbar support isn't adjustable, so it might feel too firm for some. If you're taller than 6'2" or shorter than 5'5", the fit might not be perfect, especially for the headrest. Some users also mentioned the seat could be a bit bigger for extra comfort during long sits. Lastly, the tilt only locks at 3 angles, which might limit lounging options. So who's this chair for? If you're working from home, gaming, or just need a budget-friendly ergonomic chair, the GABRYLLY PF is a solid pick. It's ideal for average-sized folks who want comfort and support without spending a fortune. The breathable mesh and adjustable features make it a great value for most. Want to try it out? Check the link in the description to grab the GABRYLLY PF on Amazon for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.